Hello everyone, I'm just on Fremont Street. Well, this place is something totally amazing, all the different things. I'm just going to do a wee quick video. I'm not going to be here for too long. See, look at this. There's a Slotzilla. Oh, there's somebody just coming on the zip wire. To hell with that. Nah, couldn't do it. Couldn't do it. So, we just looked up there. We're all the way down there. It's some place to see. We have a wee reservation later on, so it's just a wee quick visit. Next time I come to Vegas, I'm definitely going to come here, have a good look about. Definitely well worth visiting. Aye, it's just amazing. Lots of souvenir shops and fast food. That is really, really impressive. There's a Slotzilla, way up close. Pretty cool. Oh, midget wrestling. Midget wrestling up there. Oh, midget wrestling. Oh my god, they still say midget, but well, it's little person, little person. Saw a Facebook video. Midgets racing camels, look that one up, mental, absolutely mental, and exploitative. It's terrible, terrible, but let's be honest, funny. So it's just a wee quick video. But you can't go to Vegas and not do a wee video on Fremont Street. Definitely amazing, but look how high up that is. No, it's not for me. But someplace. And this is 2 streets down from the Mob Museum. Wow, it's just someplace. So anyway, I'm going to cut the video short because it was just a wee quick look, show you that I've been here. Need to come back next year and I'll do it again. Okay, well, thanks very much for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. And sorry this is a wee short video, but it is what it is. Thank you very much. Bye bye.